Sound, but I can hear it until I plug this in right here. I'm gonna be able to hear the sound. Here you go. Now I can hear my own voice, which is always good. Okay, edit. If I go into the education, I think that's what's causing the that might be why I have like a double voice, or it's phasing because I have a mic. I have two microphones. That might be why it's causing the issue. I'm looking for the public button because right now I think it's privacy private. Private, there it is. I think it needs to be public for the chat to work. So now I should have access to a pop-up chat. I should. Pop-up chat. There it is. Now I can copy this information right here. Very useful. Nano chat. And I move down and I look for the word. The word is a word. Because a word is a word. I'm just gonna replace these keywords with test. Yes, save. No, it's okay. I know I may change like this. I can run it, and it did not work. It did not work because I have test. One of the word is test. It's here, but it's not picking it up. So it's looking for perform action text, keyword text, blah blah, keyword and keywords. I would like to end text. So for if keyword and text, for keywords and keywords, okay, if keyword and text, blah blah. So can I just echo? No, I cannot echo. I'm not in bash. Print text. Let's try that. Okay, so I have all of this, and I'm looking if one of them contain the word I'm looking for. Roboto, oh no, looks like you're using an older version of your browser. Please update it to use live chat. Is that what I'm getting? Huh. Okay. So that's the output I'm getting. Okay, let's just give that to ChatGPT and see if it can solve the issue. That the output of the text variable. I think the version of Firefox that oily beautiful soup is using is too dated for the chat option or something. Whatever, and this is the code I got. Okay. I wasn't supposed to make a live today. I'm just testing feature right now. It had to be public so that I can test stuff with the chat, but it's not something, you know, I necessarily want to share on my page. It's just some testing stuff. Okay, that's the version improved. Let's try the new version, nano chat 2.py. Also, I would like it if I could. Can you make it so that I can pass a keyword as argument and a URL as argument, or at least use input field to ask them? Don't just have them hard coded, also display the rest of the text extracted to make sure it works. There you go, just, you know, just be more specific. I don't need actually to make myself, what is that? Oh, I get it. I can make myself visible. Don't necessarily need those. Media sources. Why can I not hear this? I wish I could hear the music. But if I do, I think the sound is not gonna like it. Media source. Advanced audio property. Media source. Monitor and output. Monitor only, mute output. Monitor off. Now on monitor and output. Why can't I hear it? While I can hear my voice, kinda. Is it the volume? No, I made the volume louder and I still can't hear this. Media source. There's supposed to be music in the background. You know, that's why I'm setting this stuff up right now, because otherwise, when is it gonna work? You know? Okay, nano chat 2.py. I want this, and now I can do py chat 2.py. Accidentally type cap lock. I'm kind of stuck with it. There it is. Chat test, whatever. Just run it. It's not working. Oh no! What's going on? Enter keyword to search for test. Enter the URL of the chat. That's the thing it's supposed to be. There you go. Test found. Holy crackamole. When it found the keyword, it stopped, but I want it to continue going and watch for new keyword. the next appearance of the keyword. Make sure it's not taking the same twice, since I want to use the chat as input to play games. Now you can make a list of keywords such as WASD space CTRL. And what else do I need to control games? Left click, right click. You know, all the basic game control. There you go. What's the... I mean, instead of WASD, could have been forward, backward, whatever. But that should work fine. Blah blah. Okay, let's try it. This time it should work. Base chat 3.5, and now I can do pi chat 3.5. Okay, it's working. Enter the URL of the YouTube chat window. Do I have that? Here it is. And so far, sleep name time is not defined. That's an easy fix. Come on. Import time. That should work. Boom bap. Sorry, I just want to place the mic closer to my mouth so that we have a better sound quality. So if I place it here, it should be just perfect. Okay, now I need the URL of the chat window. Let's try to copy it from here. Is it gonna work? Okay, we have it, and it's telling me that it found the WASD, but I think it just found them from the from this thing right here. So yeah, I hate this pop-up. It's so useless. Remember to guard your privacy and abide by community guideline. Okay, but how do I get rid of this damn message? Timestamp, send feedback, top chat. Like, how do I get rid of this? It's so annoying. It's in the middle of the chat and it serves no purpose other than pissing me off. How do I remove that? Like this, I want to keep it. That warning sign that I don't need, I want to remove it. It's such a pain. Learn more, tell me how to remove that shit. That's it, that's all I want to know. Okay, I seen it, I seen the page. Okay, now can you remove it? Thank you. How do I get rid of that? Actually, I might need that. Ignore text coming from this or from the usernames. Also look for the instead of UASD, I think it would be simpler to use forward, backward, left, right, at least W key, A key, S key, D key, space key. There you go. So at least that way we kind of know what we're working for, what working with. To no text coming. Recording to use a modified version, blah blah blah. Paste. Programming with ChatGPT got so much easier. Paste. A lot of people don't consider it coding, but what do they know? I mean, it's still coding. You still have to do some debugging, like I'm doing right now. Otherwise, it would be too fun. Here we go. Py chat 4.py. I can give it the right name. URL. Here it is. Okay, now it's not detecting anything. Sign up to chat. No, what's going on? Okay, there it is. And if I want to chat something, I could type. I'm not sure which one they used at the end of the day. I think they used left key. Let's try it. Left key. So left key should be detected. Left key found. Okay, and if I left key and is it working? Oh, that's an issue. Okay. Let's say I post the same keywords 2 times in the chat. It's only detecting the first one. Why? Yeah, no, I mean, okay, but I use like timestamp. Do I have timestamp I can use? Okay, let's try that. Oh, we might get even more issue now. Paste chat 5.py. Oh no. What have I done? Okay, now if I do nano py chat 5, I have it. Is the real cat up here? Okay, it is. For a moment I wasn't sure if it was only coming from my headphones, but there's a cat in the background. Come on, that's not what I want to copy. What did you do? Nah. That's not what I'm trying to do. Not at all. There you go. Py chat 5. That's what I'm trying to copy. 5. Damn, this cat is annoying. Shut up, cat. Left key, left key, left key. But now it's detecting them over and over again, which is not what we want. Now it's detecting same. I don't mind that the same keywords in different message, but don't the same message. They must have unique ID or timestamp you could use to avoid doing that. Easy coolie. Are you watching this stream? I think we had a viewer at some point, which is cool. If we have viewer, I mean, I'm down for it. What we're doing right now, I'm just gonna explain it because it's worth an explanation. We are trying to detect keywords in the chat that you will be able to use in my next live stream to control a game. Paste chat 6.py. This version's gonna be always doing the same mistake. I should make that terminal bigger. I said bigger. Have I changed the code that allowed me to make it bigger? I feel like I did. Sometimes I do change code that is perfectly fine and make it into code that is not. I do that sometimes. It was working. Why isn't it working anymore? Ah, that pissed me off. It was working. I was able to resize it. Okay, I just broke my config that allowed me to resize window. Apparently now they need to be floating, I guess. Yeah, you see I can resize it, but not when it's styled. So that's not good. That's not good at all. It was working perfectly fine before. Ah, I broke that. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is try that new version. Make that a floating window then. I want it bigger. Can I just move it around? How do I move it around? That's not working. That's not working. That's not working to move it. How am I supposed to move it around? It's not working no matter what I do. So I'm gonna use this method, which is using the good old mouse. By chat 6. That's the last version I made. Not working because there's no chat. Paste into chat 6.5. Let's copy the last version from ChatGPT. I think that was it. Now we can apply chat 6.5. Okay, and now we can just give it the URL for the chat. Unique ID. What? You are left found in message unique identifier here. I don't know what the unique identifier are. That's. Let's try writing a new stuff into the message. Chat restored. Let's try that. Unique unique identifier here. Copy inner HTML. For each message is not directly accessible from the HTML source you can provide. To handle this, you can modify the script to use a combination of the author name and message content as a unique identifier. But what if the user wants to send multiple times the same command? Each of the command should still be. You get me? To understand that case, you can modify the script to keep track of unique identifier for each keyword, especially here how you can do this, blah 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 blah. Okay. Apparently that's an improved version of the code. Okay, let's try that. Paste chat 7.py. 7 is a lucky number, maybe it's gonna work. Chat We already did a lot of progress, but it's not yet working. Okay. Okay. Try that. Is it working? Enter the URL of the YouTube chat button. Oh! My bad, my bad. Okay, so found a message Minetest. Uh-huh. Okay. And now it's stopping. I no longer have the How about you only look at the last message? Last message, drink your word, you can modify the script. Here's the updated script. That should work. Ideally, that should work. Now we should have chat control, chat input working. By the way, that's the script bundle I made. It comes with all these scripts. You should buy it. It's a good price, a fair price. It's worth $500 and I just said for $32. So even if $32 might seem expensive, most AAA games are more expensive than that. So I think it's a fair price. ChatGPT agreed, it thinks it's worth $500. So I think that selling it for only $32 it's kind of a good price. Yeah, that was a small ad I wanted to make. I mean, not only I've been working on that for like 10 years, but in the last years using ChatGPT to help me build this script bundle like really helped. And it's script that I made for myself. It's stuff that I use, it's stuff that I needed, that I made for myself, but I edited them so that everybody can use them. Some of them will require some customization to work on your system for your needs, but that's totally normal and to be expected, I think. Like it's a big bundle. It has like a bunch of script, like more than 100. I worked hard on that. So okay, is it detecting the last chat? Oh, wait, let's try that. Let's try that. Okay, so key. Can I type key right? Is it gonna be a detected key? No, it's right key. Enter. Is it detecting it? Okay, and message, right key. So it's gonna press right key until I should put a stop. Backward key. And now the message should be backward key. I can play with that. I honestly can play with that. It's gonna be fun. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Oh, this stream is gonna get way more fun real soon. Oh, it's gonna get fun. It's gonna get crazy. Okay, so okay, I need to find my script. It's here. No, it's not. Okay, it was somewhere. Did I lose it? No longer need that. Yeah, this we can keep that open. That's gonna be useful. And I think I closed it. Damn it, that was stupid. Okay, it's not the end of the world. cd file / amos cd interactive, and now we have our chat that is working, which is mv chat a to chat x.py. Yeah, we can do that. It's gonna get good real soon. You're gonna be able to interact with my games. How cool is that? Wait a minute, how cool is that you're gonna be able to interact in live with my games? Think about that. How great that's gonna be. That's gonna be so great. Okay, and now we can have like the stop. Just stop. There's no key, it's just stop. So you have forward key, backward key, left key, space key, stop key. Yeah, you know, by putting key after each of them, at least it's clear. It's clear what you need to control the game. So we have the control right here. Now I need to implement them. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, cat chatx.py. Okay, and I forgot to copy it. There you go. And let's tell it what to do. Amazing. Now use some Py2GY utility like utility to emulate keyboard press my computer when the keywords are detected. For example, when he is best emulate the grouping and when the space key best emulate the space key pressed on the keyboard, and when stuff is detected, do nothing. That should be fine. Fine. That can't go wrong, right? Giving the internet control over my computer. What could go wrong? Hey, we have somebody in the chat. Hey, I'm gonna give internet control to my computer. That sounds like a wonderful idea. What do you think? Lapxtai. How do you pronounce that? I have no idea how to pronounce your username. Lapxtai. Yeah, I'm trying to. Okay, that should work. That code should give you access to, like, I'm gonna play a game. That's the goal of all this. I'm gonna make it so that we're gonna play a game on Linux. Yeah, I'm gonna edit the entire code. Yes, I can do this like that. PyChatX. I'm good with computer. I know. And now we have a chat window here, but that's not enough. We need the code, the URL of this chat window here that I can paste here. And it should be working. How do I test it to make sure that it works? I don't know. You're gonna test it with me. Are you fine with that? Can you test that with me? I'm gonna open a game using the terminal because, to be honest, that's the only way I can start this game. Oh, the sound, the music. Ah, it's too loud. How do I reduce the sound? Setting. Help. My ears. My ears are bleeding. Okay, that's enough. That's enough of that. Anyway, I hate this song. Enable. No, not enable. Oh, that's so better. Oh, that's loud. Come on, my ears. Okay, now we're fine. We're in a game and single player. Which one do we pick? We can pick the card. This game is called Super Tux Card and it's free, and those are all cards that I downloaded from the internet. So of course we're gonna pick this one, right? You choose. You tell me. Like, we have Accord, we have the Amazing Panda, which is not Kung Fu Panda. We have Minetest, Transmission, which is a program software that I use on my computer. Which card do we pick? Do we have more people watching? Like, I just discovered this feature that I'm gonna use, which is very cool. And now we have the game here and the stats here. What? I want the game and the stat to be on the same page. Okay, the game is in. There you go. We're getting somewhere. Okay, so now I have the game and I can see how many people we have logged in, and I can just move the chat window there so I can see the chat and the game and everything there. Oh no, that's not where I wanted it. No. Okay, I can't. That's it. Like, this is cool. You can use the yeah, we can play Minetest, but I just want to test some feature because you will be able to play with me. That's the aim of this chat. You will be able to play using the command. I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna start a race. I'm not sure why I can't do that. Where's the button? It needs to be full screen, I think. Okay, let's just pick a racer. Anyone will do. Pick a race. Any race will do. You will be able to play using the chat. That's the thing that I've been working on. So wait a minute. Like, the keys to play are backward key, space key, stop, K. Just put the K letter after the instruction. You're playing. You should be playing with the chat right now. I'm not sure if I could test that. Can I chat? Can I talk to you from the chat? All chat message will appear here. How do I chat with you? Dude, you make that? That is awesome. Yeah, no, that's what I'm trying to figure out to set up. Left key. Yeah, it should work, but try forward, because if we're not moving forward, we're not gonna be able to move left. Okay, let's try that. Like forward. Can I type? Oh no, because it needs to be. Okay, so I cannot type. You have to type it for me. Let's try with forward key. Forward. Why is it not working? It should be working. It should be working. Let's take a look at the code. That's what I'm setting up today. What's going on? Forward key was detected, so it is detected. It is detecting the forward key, and it's typing W. So now it should be working. I have no idea why it's not working. Okay. And when I press W, it works. But when it emulates the W key press, like if I press on the chat, is it gonna type W? Yeah, it's typing W. But is it not keeping it down? I think that's the issue. It's typing it, but it's not keeping it down for any amount of time. So it's like pressing real quick. Too quick to be detected. I think that's the issue. I'm gonna fix that. I have so many Firefox window open because hold on, let me try again. No, wait a minute. Let's just fix the code first and then we try again. Chat x.my because now it's getting out of control. See these Firefox windows? That's a shortcut I have on my computer when I press W and another key. So that's why we have that. But to fix the problem is that it's pressing, but we won't hold it for longer. So I'm just gonna ask good old friend ChatGPT. Yo, help me with that, please. You got to hold the key down for some time, not just press it. You get me? You know, you got to use the right language with these software to get the answer that you wish. We have 2 concurrent viewers, so that code is being generated. How amazing is that? I love this. I'm a big fan of ChatGPT. I use it a lot for a lot of my projects. By the way, speaking of my project, have you seen the script bundle I made? It's like 100 and more scripts that you can use on Linux. If you're not using Linux, well, start there. Start by switching to Linux. But look at all this stuff. I worked on this for 10 years. No kidding. Even if now I use ChatGPT to help me, I've been doing this for 10 years. You can see my GitHub. GitHub is the place where programmers put their code. And I have some code there that is like 10 years old. I've been doing this for a long time. But now, let's cheat a little. There you go, pychatx.py. And now I need to enter the chat URL. You know, it's a simple process. Once I get this, once I get used to this, it's gonna be way easier to set up. Copy this and I paste it. So many windows. Sorry if it's like too many stuff happening at the same time. Now I have the chat open here, and technically it should detect something. Now I'm not sure how to test that. I'm just gonna type here and type forward key, and now it should hold the W key a little bit, and we should see this in the chat. Okay, so let's try it now. Oh, we're moving! It's working! It's working! Oh, it's working! It's working! It's working! Okay, amazing. Just don't go there. Try not to do that. I once tried to make a penguin game, something like Club Penguin, left key. But the problem is, I think it needs to press both key at the same time. Like, you need to still go forward, but left at the same time. Is left key working? Is it typing A? It is. So we are pressing the left key. It's just we're not moving forward. So I'm just gonna help you a little bit. And now, like, now you're on your own. You're on your own. Like, you can type stop key to tell it to stop, but it's not. It doesn't keep going. So that's an issue. I need to keep emulating the forward key. Yeah. Okay, it works. You're going left. It's completely working. I just have to keep pressing the forward key. So now you just have left, right, backward, and stop. That's your options. I don't even know if we can get out of there. Actually, I'm gonna try to play it a little bit to get us out of there. And you can still interact with, like, it's working. At least now we know that. I don't even know where we're stuck. I think we totally left the game. So, okay. Now I'm gonna keep pressing forward, and I leave the control left and right to you. So if you type, for example, right, it should go right. If you type left K, it should go... No, okay, this time I helped a little bit because we're falling. Okay, it works. You see, that wasn't me turning. That was you. No, that's you. That's you controlling the character. Okay, I'm a bit helping sometime, but not that much. Right now it's you controlling that we're going left. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. That's not me playing right now, by the way. I'm just pressing the forward key. And it's cool. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Bro, nice. The game idea is so good. Oh, no, no! Oh, no. No, we're gonna fall. Okay, I stopped the motor, but somebody needs to type like a direction right now. Ideally, I would like to be able to make it so you can play Minetest and so on. And the fact that you made that makes it cooler. Yeah, thank you. Oh no! Oh. Oh no. Okay, I think now it's gonna go left. Okay, yeah. But the delay in the chat is not helping. Oh. Hi. Welcome to the stream, Twix CHP. Basically, I'm not playing the game. I don't know if you noticed why I'm so good at it, but I'm just pressing forward and you guys are controlling the left-right button. I don't even know where we're going. And you can press space dash K and it's gonna activate the boosters. We have boosters on top. So if you type space slash K, it's gonna activate the... Oh! Actually, I should try to play the game normally while this happens. Just that enough would be a challenge. Whoa, the boost was activated! I told you! Ah, no, we're down to our last boost. Somebody should have typed stop. We no longer have boost, but that's cool. That was cool. Oh, and now it activates the honk. Now it's honking. Is that how you call that? This in English? A honk? A car honk? Yeah, I like this game, by the way. This game is a Super Tux Kart, and it's a bit like Mario Kart, but for people who don't like spending too much money, like me. No! Oh no! What happened? What? Okay, that was cool. Still, we were rolling on the wall, and I'm just gonna try to complete the race, and yeah, you guys have all these inputs. And another day I could try with Minetest, where you can maybe click on block and stuff like that. You want me to try with Minetest? I even made a 2D mod for Minetest that turns it into a 2D game. One of the message was remove, retracted, redacted. Okay. Yeah, I wish there was more control to that game. Try Minetest and 2D mod. Okay, let's do that. Now that you have control, some control. I didn't give you the click control. Do I give you the click control to be able to right click, left click before we try Minetest, or we go end Minetest right now without further ado, straight into Minetest? I don't mind. 1D creative. Yeah, I was trying a lot of mods. The God mod did not work. I wanted to create like a big nuke that would erase everything. Not a lot of stuff worked recently, but at least we have the 1D barrier, B-Box, chat. Yeah, I think that's it. Like, I think that's the mod. Not sure if it's working. Let's try it. We have nothing to lose, but now it's a bit small. At least I can make it a bit bigger this time. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Sorry, the chat is a bit small, but yeah, we have a 2D Minetest world, and technically you can play in it. I haven't removed the controls, so you can press forward, for example. Somebody can try forward slash K, dash K. Do we call it like lower bar K, forward K? Oh, it's working! I'm not pressing any key on the keyboard. Okay, it's working. So you see there's like a delay. I could probably fix that in the code, but right now I'm not pressing any key. You're controlling the character, but you're not controlling the mouse, which, I mean, it would be cool if you could control the mouse. I mean, if you type it once, the forward key is just gonna repeat until another command is typed. That's how it works. Are we flying? Yeah, we are. So I'm just gonna maybe remove the fly. So, whoa, it's typing the W in the chat, so that's not gonna help me typing a comment. Bro, you remember me? Kestar, yeah, you were on one of my last stream when we were playing, I think the 7x7, is that right? Do I have a good memory or not? Whoa! It works! You're flying! Okay, I couldn't remove the flying option, but typing both keyword at the same time does work. I don't know how, I did not expect that. I have not made that work. I'm not the one responsible for that. Thank you, ChatGPT, for your wisdom. Thank you very much. This is much appreciated. Yeah, is there a way to destroy black? That's what I was telling you earlier. Like, there would be, if you let me add it to the code. Forward, space, that's what it does. It's just forward in space. Forward, left key. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to go really far on the left, because yeah, there's the barrier since it's a 2D world. But at least, I mean, you ain't gonna get lost. You're stuck in that. There's a tree there, so at least if you can go to the tree, I'm gonna add the command to allow you to mine it, which is gonna make the game way more fun. And then I could add probably key to allow you to control the camera and stuff. It's gonna get wild. It's gonna get so wild. Down key. I don't think we have a down key. We have a backward K, but down would be control. So try CTRL K maybe. No, we don't have control. So I add the control key and I add the mouse click. Is that right? Is that what we need to add to this? Lepsty. Hi, I'm back. Yeah, now we're playing Minetest. And when I say we are playing Minetest, I mean we are playing Minetest. But I should add the yeah, I'm just gonna stop the program for a moment just so that I can add the new features. Let's make an update. Let's make an update. Good, everything is working fine except maybe when pressing 2 key at the same time. Try fixing that first. Also, I want a click K key and a CTRL key, and maybe some keywords for mouse movement, mouse at an M, up, M, left, and right, like that. You know, you have to be clear about what you want. With ChatGPT, I have a lot of really cool projects on ChatGPT, and if you want to take a look at some of them, they are listed here. That's all the bash script I made for myself, available for everyone to buy. And ChatGPT told me it's worth 500 bucks and it's only sold for 32 bucks, so it's a good deal. Okay, that's it. Enough of that promotion. Let's go back into building this, but it takes time to generate this code. What am I gonna talk about when it's generating? I'm watching this anime. Do you watch anime? Anime are great. It's called Solo Leveling. And I even made my own solo leveling script that allows me like to do some push-ups and sit-up and, you know, some training per day, and it's giving me XP, and with that I can level up. And it's a bash script that I use in my terminal. If you don't know what a terminal is, well, the script is done, so we don't have to talk about that. Chat X, do we create a new version? I think we should. This one was fine. Let's just create a new one called Chat X V2. Yeah, I'm very original. That's a very original name that you never expected. Let's take a look at the code first before we start the application. I think it's wise that we just take the time to understand how it works. I know code, it's intimidating, people don't like it. Normally they log off when there's a video about code. So we have M right, M left, M up for the mouse. These are the mouse control, and I don't think ChatGPT understands that the mouse can move down, apparently, unless it placed it somewhere else, but I don't see it. So yeah, probably no mouse down movement for some reason. I don't know what ChatGPT is thinking, but the mouse can move down in my world. Down. Sorry, I cannot read the chat when I'm working on this, so I should probably just move the mouse, the chat here, so I can see the chat. Yeah, I watch anime, but not too much. Yeah, I know. I used to watch all of them. Too much anime. I used to be a weeb in that sense. I watched a lot of them. So M right, M left, M up. And M down should be the same as M up, but in the other direction, if that makes sense. Can I make the chat just a bit smaller so that I can see the code better? Yes, I can. Have you played RDR2? Robot Arena Built and Destroyed 2? What is RDR2? Tell me. I'm a bit of a boomer. I don't know that stuff very well. You're like my English teacher, to be honest. Is very nice. Thanks, I appreciate that. That's I don't think your English teacher has a YouTube channel. If he does, here's a shout out. Hello there. Is there a mod port for all Minetest sub games? A mod port for all Minetest sub games. A mod port. What do you mean? What do you mean? Red Dead Redemption 2. You see, I don't play. Okay, I'm answering two questions at the same time. So about the mod port, I'm not sure what you mean, but you download Minetest and you can have access to all the sub games, mods, and all that from Minetest. That like from the game. You don't have to go online and search for the mods and stuff. Your mods, my mods. Actually, I was trying to. I had a bundle here, but it's not complete. You know, I keep working on them, adding them every day. Some of them are broken, so that's why they can't be released, because they are so broken. Minetest mod pack, is this released? It's just a draft. Okay, so it's not published yet. This is just, I was planning on releasing some of my mods. But again, they're so broken. Do you really want to see a mod crash? I'm not sure if it's funny or not. Like the 2D Minetest mod. I mean, it's kind of complete. It's working. If you want me to create like a free itch.io page for it, I could do it now. But again, it's gonna be to the chat to decide. Do I continue what I'm doing right now with this mouse up, mouse down, giving you control over Minetest, or do I add right now the mods that I made for Minetest on my itch.io page? I could make them free. Some of them I don't care. But when I work for a mod for like an extended amount of time, it's very polished. Normally I wouldn't give it away for free, but the 2D ones, have fun. If you want to play Minetest in a single line, have the barrier appear. Yeah, I don't mind making that one available. It's a fun one. Personally, I like it. My girlfriend doesn't like this feature that it removes the blocks on both sides, outside of the barrier. Ah, I'm getting attacked! What's going on? Oh no, I'm gonna die. Oh no, I'm placing a barrier. That's cheating. I'm not a cheater. I'm in creative. Of course I'm cheating. Okay. Anyway, I survived. Is it still there? Is there still? Ah, it's still there. So sorry for the screaming. I don't know if that annoys people, but okay, there's a skeleton somewhere around here, and it's trying to attack me. And these spiders have no chance getting here because these barriers are impenetrable. And I could use the command right now. That's a useful command, part of my chatcom mod. Let's say, do you want me to go to my mod? See in the mod folder what I have? We could take a look at that. Where's the chat? There it is. Yo, I have to go. This was the best stream I watched this week. Hey, thank you, man. That's great. It's nice hearing that. It's just gonna get better, I hope. Bye bye. And I'm just gonna, okay, the sound of the game. Let's stop that. Too many stuff going on. That's like ADHD 100%. I start something and I start another thing, and I like all this stuff at the same time. And that's why my mods are still unreleased, because I have too many stuff that I do at the same time. I'm trying to make a website, by the way. I don't talk about this in my stream, but I have already bought a URL for a website, and I'm not sure what I will do with it. But to put it to have it accessible online, it costs money, and that's why it's not online yet. But I have a lot of project with it. I could allow you to upload like HTML pages with CSS. That's basic. Like, everybody can make an HTML page. You should make one, by the way. But that's not the topic of this video. So let's not get off topic too much, and let's go back into the V2. Let's try it. It's ready. I was talking, I was distracted, but I still managed to complete this new version of the chatx v2 script. It should be working. And now we copy the link of the chat in the pop-up window. And now you should have full control over even my mouse, which was a very bad idea now that I think about it. Okay, while I still have some control, I'm just gonna close that. Do I give you internet control? No, that's not a good idea. That's not a good idea. Minetest. Let's open something real quick so that you can't do too much trouble. Let's try it in Minetest. Let's wait for Minetest to be open, please, before you start entering a bunch of chat comments. We do have them. We do have chat comment. It's gonna be great. But just wait. Just wait for a moment. I'm not ready yet. And okay, it's starting to get to look like something. It's starting to look like something. There it is. And now you can try to enter like mouse up, M up. Try that, M/up. Somebody, 4K. Yeah, that one should be working. Yeah, it's working, but that was working before. Let's try something new. Like, try to click. Do you have click K? CTRL K. Like, let me make you fly. Try CTRL K. I think it should be working. Or M up. Yeah, M up. Is it working? I think the mouse moved up. Okay, it's very slow, but it works. And it's so cool. Okay, it's very slow. Do you see it? It's very slow. Okay, Control K is working. So we have the mouse control. Control K. Do we have the button to click? What would be the key to click? For now, just type stop/K maybe. Or I will try to do it. That could end badly. I don't know what I did. Just wanted to. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Stop. Oh no, what is it doing? It's trying to save. No, control is not a good key to type. /K. Thank you. Just by entering a comment that is not a comment, it should work. Stop. Okay. Okay, I'm safe. Okay, and we kind of glitched the game. That's cool, eh? Coding, am I right? Okay. Now let's change chatx version 2 to include click. Do we have click? Click would be cool. That way you can mind block. Otherwise, if you cannot click, what's the point? And M click. Let's ask ChatGPT, what about M click for mouse click? And also, I'm sure I can make the mouse move a bit more. That's not a lot, like 10 pixel. Are you kidding me? What are you gonna do with 10 pixel? 50 pixel. Oh yeah, a big 50 pixel for the mouse movement. I could make it that when you write the keyword, you can type a number right after the keyword, and I detect that, and that is the amount of pixel that I move the mouse for more finer control. But for now, just pretend we're fine with what we have. Okay, thank you. What about the click? The option to right M click. There it is. Mouse down, mouse up. That's what we were looking for. Now we have it. And we're fine. Somebody told me that I sound like his English teacher, which is very funny since I'm a French speaker and my English is very bad. So I don't know how to feel about that. Is that a compliment for your French teacher, English teacher? I don't know. Okay, so now we should have mouse movement. Stop case, stream, play, Minetest. Yes, that's what's going on. Yeah, did we lose? Oh, we lost a lot of viewers because I went into the code and fixed that. Like, every time I go into code, people are like, oh my god, no, it's code. I'm afraid I'm gonna learn something by mistake. I'm here to watch Minetest video, not to learn anything. Now it's true, I sound like a teacher, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this. I have the chat key entered. And now the program is started. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. I'm gonna restart Minetest because we're kind of having technical difficulty here. What about Sarbraton? Good luck. This game is hardcore. Apply change. The following setting have changed vertically sync. Apply change now. Yeah, I guess. Okay, and now can I make this bigger? Okay, that's fine. We have it bigger. Now if I can do butt match, you're gonna play against the butt. There's gonna be 2 butt, and one of them is gonna, like, let's make them easy to kill. Like, that should be good enough. 3 butt maybe? That's more butt, more fun. Wait a minute, I haven't even choose the where we're gonna play. Oh, did we have an update? First time I see these maps. Okay, since you pressed up, by the way, the mouse is moving up. So, like right now it's working. It's moving the mouse up. I don't know if you see it, but it's already working with the mouse. So good luck. Good luck. It's gonna be hard. I don't know if you're gonna. Which do we choose? By the way, nobody's helping me choose the map. I have to make every decision by myself. Asgard. Asgard seemed fine, right? Do we go with this one? Okay. Good luck. You're on your own. Try to shoot. Try to shoot. Click. Try the click thing. I don't know if it will work. It should be M/click. I think that's what it was. M right should be working. Okay, it's moving the camera right. Click, okay. Will it work? No, it's M click, I think it is. Is it click? It's shooting! Okay, so you found how to shoot. But you have limited ammo, so you should probably type stop K. Stop/K. I don't know. Do we have the stop key? WWW. Yeah, I think the WWW will stop the firing. So that was good. That was intelligent. That was good. Good move. Oh no! Oh, we got killed. Oh, damn. Okay, I need to click to restart. At least now we know. Oh, okay, we got killed so hard. By the way, some of the textures are broken. I'm sorry about that. That's hard. It's very hard. Like, you're not supposed to play a game like that. Like, Minetest, I think, was a better idea. You have no chance of killing somebody like this. It's literally right. Oh, almost. Okay, I'm gonna make the butt just way more dumb. Like, maximum dumbness. Like, that's very hard. They're gonna kill you instantly. And that's giving you a small chance. Maybe there's gonna be a single butt. Just one. There you go. Now you have a chance. Free for all. Let's try to pick another map. Maybe this one. It looks nice, doesn't it? Gonna try to make it bigger. The screen doesn't turn. It's just very slow. I think that's the problem. It does turn, but do you want fine accurate movement? I would need to go back in the code if you don't mind, but I don't think people watch these streams to see me code. Oh, click should work. That's working. We have 1 player right now. We lost a lot of viewer. I think that's when I went into the code. Like I see. Oh, you almost got him! You almost got him! Oh, almost! At least he's bad. Ah, he got you, but you were close. Damn, you almost shot him. That's your map. Like, yeah, wait. Yeah, it's restarted. Okay, he's on your... Ah, damn. He was on the right. Can you see him? Oh, you almost got him! By luck, but you almost got him. Do you have 2 of them? Okay, right key is a good move. You're safe. Yeah, that was a close one. At least they're very bad. They're very stupid. Oh no, he's in front of you! Ah, if you could see me right now. If you could see my reaction, I'm like... so tense from that. That was intense. What do you think? I could like write finer mouse movement. Do you want that? Do you want finer mouse movement? I can probably code that. But it would take sometimes. Mobile, it's hard. Dude, you almost killed one and you're on mobile. So yes, more finer mouse movement. Okay, let's do that. Disconnect for now. Finer mouse movement it is. I would like finer mouse movement, please. So make it so that the number after the keywords for the mouse movement starting with M is the amount of pixel to move the mouse by. For example, M up 500 would move the mouse by 500 pixel. And how about making it so that the number after the other K keywords represent the amount of time to repeat it until it waits for another keyword. For another different keyword to continue. Like, that's a big comment. I'm asking for a lot. Like, if ChatGPT can do that, ChatGPT is good. I'm asking, like, it's crazy specific what I'm asking. Like, even for a human programmer, doing this is hard. It's very hard. If ChatGPT can do this, I'm very impressed. Like, right now, we already have had something good going on. And right click, again, it removed the mouse down for some reason, which I find weird. Keyword split, and now we should have, like, apparently it should be working. I don't know, do we trust ChatGPT or not? Let's trust ChatGPT that it should work. Nano chat, no, xchat.py. There it is, xchat.py. Now I need the chat number, which should be somewhere around here. If I can just, let's copy this and give it here, like so. And now. No, that's not where I was supposed to write it. I was supposed to type it here. I mean, now you don't have access to a mouse down option, but it's just for testing. We're just testing. So server bot match. Let's try just single player for now. So now you're in single player. There is literally no one is here. So you can try typing a comment. Control the character. Now it should be working. Same comment as earlier, but now you can follow them with a number. Like 4K, you cannot give it a number, but it's good. You're moving. Oh, you collected a better weapon. I haven't given you option to the scroll wheel, but now you do. Okay, I control the mouse a little bit right now, but you know, you can still use it. Damn, going fine so far. Can you try a mouse command? I don't know. Anything you think of. Like M-click maybe? That's gonna be fun. Rocket jump. Is it working? We don't have M-click? Did we broke M-click? Try mouse up then, or I don't know. M up followed by a number. Type a big number so we're sure that works. Like M up 100, or I don't know. Yeah, M up alone isn't going to work anymore. You have to give it a number. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna try. So M up 200. I'm gonna try that. I haven't pressed enter, that's why it's not working. I think you need to give it a space. Oh, I don't know. Is it working? Okay, so M up is not working for some reason. So how about M up 200? Will that work? I'm gonna take a look at the code. I can probably figure out what the issue is by looking at the code. No. Invalid interval for with base click. I think we crashed the game with the click stuff. Xchat. So we're looking for keyword split at this m slash, so it's just m followed by what? Okay, if it starts with m, pixel m left k, so confusing. I have no idea what it's supposed to do. Stop k, do nothing. What are you doing? What is this code? That's bad code. I don't like that. If keyword equal this, then move auto pixel. And how do we get the pixels? So it's moving by pixels. Pixel equal keyword split dash. But it's not gonna be the thing after that. It's gonna be the thing after. I got it all wrong. It's all wrong. Okay, so this is fine. Then we want to move this down. Like ChatGPT sometimes is good, but sometimes it's dumb, and that's one of those times. Repeat action. That's so bad. Okay, I prefer the code we had before. I think the code we had before was better. So I think it was chat x v2 whatever. CP chat x v2. Let's create a new one from that. Chat x v3. That's what it's gonna be called. And now from that version, we can add the feature we wanted directly here. So if the m up key is pressed, so far so good. Keywords equal m up. What we can do, if keywords equal this, if keywords and last message, keywords are not found in message, last message. Okay, so now we're looking for keywords inside of message. Sorry, I'm trying to understand this code, and it's a program that's not me who made it, so it's taking a bit of time, but we're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. Keyword split. So we're looking for stuff that would go after this inside of the keywords. I don't know if it's gonna work. Repeat action. We don't want repeat action. We want the pixels. Pixels. Right here. So first we need some debugging. Before anything works, I'm gonna need some debugging. Wait, I got an idea. What if copy the last message and send it in the code thing and it does it? Wait, what if it copy the last message, sends it in the code thing and it does it? Well, that's actually what it's trying to do. Oh, you mean just taking the number? But how are we gonna know if the number is for the mouse up or mouse down? You understand? Like if I just give it a number, you see there's multiple values here for the horizontal axis and vertical axis. So that's why I cannot just take the number and put it there. Like it's a good solution. I get what you mean, but it ain't gonna work. So I need to give it a way to extract this from the text. So instead of keyword, we're looking for last message. Let's try looking for last message dot split at this one, and we want the second one. So like that should work, but let's just print it to make sure it did. So pixels. So now with mouse up, you can follow it with those two dots and give it a number and it will print the number. That's what it's supposed to do, so I'm gonna try just that. So pi chat x v3. Like this video wasn't even supposed to be a live stream. It was supposed to be just me setting this up for a later live stream, but I had to make it public. I had to make it public for it to work, otherwise I wouldn't have this URL at the top, which I need for the program to run smoothly. And now I no longer need this old chat, I think, and I can find the real chat, which is here. That's the real chat. I can move it closer to our testing area, and now that I have the real chat, I can type something here for testing, and it's m up 2.50. So it should print 50 in the window on top here. Found m up 50. We have it. We have the number. We extracted the number correctly. M up, found in message, M up 50, and it gives us the number 50. So it's working. It's doing what it is supposed to be doing. How smart is that? How smart is that? Let's go! I know! Yeah! Ah, good result. Good result. That's what's fun about programming, by the way. I don't know if I convince people to learn programming, but it can be a lot of fun. Like, it's the future, and everybody knows it. Like, AI programming right now is so trending. Like, if you don't want to become like an influencer, like, that's the other big job of the future. Yeah, because the times are changing. And honestly, I would rather have a job where I can work from home. I think that's the big thing with these jobs. People just want to work from home. I do. Like, if I could get a job where I can stay at home and do my work at the computer, any job, that's so great. Like, we have the pixels. Now it works. So we can just put the pixel here. Look at this. Pixels. I'm not sure. It's been a while. I haven't coded in Python in a while. So minus pixels? How do I specify that this is a variable? Can I just type it like this? It sounds so stupid. It sounds so easy. Too easy. It sounds like a trap. And pixels. It's so easy. Sound like a trap. I'm not used to things being so easy. So now we can at least extract the pixels, and from the pixel we don't need to print it each time, but then we can use that pixel value for mouse movement, which is gonna be better, and it's gonna be way more accurate, way more responsive pixels. This should work. I don't see a reason why it wouldn't work. And the click stuff, I'm not sure how I should last keyword. I should probably make a variable last keyword that doesn't repeat unless the comment is typed again as a new stuff. I don't know. For now it's gonna be like that. Okay, I think we have something good. We just need to try. No, I forgot something. Nano chatx v3. I know it's a long name to type, but it's a cool name. I think it's a cool name. We have M down, M right, M up, M left. So we have M down. Huh. I did not know we had that. That's good. So pi chat x. Before I start a new one, let's just close all the other chats if they're not already closed. They are. What is that? I don't need that. I'm watching the show right now, which is Young Sheldon. Have I talked about this in a previous stream? That's a very good show. Should watch it. It's nice. Now we have the chat. Now I can copy the chat URL, insert it there, and it should be working. What game are we playing? You decide. You have full control over it. Minetest or Sauerbraten? You can just write Cube 2. It's the other name for Sauerbraten. So Cube 2, Minetest, or the card game Super Text Card. You decide. You have the full control. Do I have people watching? Did I lose all my viewer? I should still have some viewer. I'm gonna take the chat and bring it with me. So this chat right here is the real chat, and the other one is a fake one. Minetest first, then we try the cube thing. Okay, that sounds like a good choice. Let's go with that. So I don't need this chat with me. Wait, where is it? Okay, I have so many windows open, so I want to move this here. There you go. I have everything, but that's not Minetest. So let's close this. Minetest. Okay, let's make that full screen. Let's make that a bit bigger. There you go. And what are we playing in Minetest? You want Minetest with guns? It's very fun. It's very fun. I mean, of course you want Minetest with guns. Test mod 2, select mods. Mod redo, monster pack, Minetest, nuke, obsidian, redo, overpowered, scientifically accurate TNT, uranium stuff, algae, bone meal, chatcom. Where are the guns? Range weapon. It's called range weapon. It's somewhere in here, I'm sure. Anyway, it should be there. So let's try this one. Yeah, Minetest with guns, with TNT, with all the stuff. Okay, some of that stuff is... Oh, no. Sorry, I had a mod activated here, which breaks the game completely, so I had to stop that for a moment. It's the 2D mod, the one that's already... that I haven't made. The one I made works. The one that's available for download doesn't. So now you should be able to play. You have like... weapon? Weapon. Okay, so we have like munition and guns. I'm just gonna give you is it gonna work? Is it moving my mouse? Should move my mouse. Is it moving my mouse? It is! You are moving my mouse. Damn! It's working. So you can choose the weapon. I thought I would have to play, but I don't. You can select the weapon of your choice. But you have to have the matching ammo, which is hard to find sometimes. And click. And you click there, that's you, that's not me. Mineral and metal, but we don't have matching mineral and metal. So you're just clicking there forever, even if it's not something that we can do. I'm gonna help you a little bit. Let's go back to all category. I'm gonna give you like this bullet, these bullets. I don't know which one are the good one. Right, 60. 60 is a bit more, so it should move a little bit further along the horizontal axis. M click. Is it gonna click? Is it clicking? It's probably clicking, but it's just too far off. If I move it back just a bit, maybe it's gonna click on it. Is it gonna click? M click was working, right? We tried that earlier. So why isn't it clicking anymore? If I click, does it work? Yeah. When I click now, it works, but movement maybe broke. Okay, now it's working. I haven't clicked, so now it's working. Oh, you're gonna have a lot of these bullets. I typed it wrong. Oh, that's the reason why. Yeah, I think I can see it. No, can I? Ah, yeah, I just saw the typo. It's very small, but there is a typo. Okay, fine. We can move that to the trash. We don't need that. Also, I have the comment for day, so let's just do that and go back to weapon selection. That one looks fun. The javelin, I haven't tried it, but it looks fun. Like rocket launcher, and I'm gonna give you a rocket launcher. I think that's what everybody wants. I think that's the best option. Rocket launcher, where is it? Can you see it? It should be somewhere around here. I'm gonna give it to you and then gonna let you play a little bit. See what we get. Like if I just type rocket, I should have the rocket launcher right here. And now, have fun. You have the game. The game is up to you. And we have 2 concurrent viewers. It's surprising. Shouldn't I have like 1 concurrent viewer? But I have 2. Oh, when you click is another right. So you need the other click. You need the left click. Is that it? Yeah, you needed the F click to reload, and now you can shoot. Now if you shoot, it's gonna shoot. But I should probably give you access to the other mouse button, like the right click, because right now you only have access to the left click. But that's for another. Whoa! Did not expect that. 4K. Now you're gonna fall in that hole. Oh, can you place cube? Ah, you cannot pick them up because I gave you too many of these useless stuff. Yeah, there's so many key that I need to give you access to be able to play this game. Eventually, when I reach like 1,000 subscribers, and just 500. No, at 500 subscribers, I will make all my keyboard available. That sounds like a good goal, right? I'm looking for 500 subscribers. Can you hear the music in the background, by the way? I don't know if there's some music in the background. There's supposed to be. You need to reload first, sorry. Forgot to reload. I'm gonna reload for you. Boom. I don't know where it's gonna shoot. The shuriken are cheap to craft. Let's try the shuriken then. Shuriken. But anyway, I'm in creative, so even if they're cheap to craft, I don't have to craft them. It's not cheating. It's called creative mode. There it is. That way you don't have to reload, I think. Like, Oh yeah, now you can use them. You have infinite amount of them. Can you break block with the shuriken? That's a good question. I think you need to rewrite M-click if you want it to work, yeah. Is it gonna work? It was working before. Is it broken? Is the script broken? You want me to take a look at the script to see if it's broken? Oh, it's broken. Last message, list index out of range. Okay, so we just broke the thing. That's why it... Okay, it's totally normal. Don't mind. It's just... I just need the chat URL. So you got disconnected for a moment. It's not the end of the... Not the end of the world. Can't fix that. Okay, and now... Let me just remove that for a moment. And now you should be able to play. Try again. Yeah, I should probably look into that bug to make sure it doesn't happen again. But at the same time, you have shuriken that you can throw. So, your choice. Don't tell me it crashed again. Tell me it's gonna throw shuriken, because I hope it hasn't crashed again. Come on! Did it crash again? I think that's because we have too many of these chat window and I haven't typed the... Yeah, I haven't typed the URL at the right place. My bad. My bad. That was totally on me. Sorry. Sorry. Ah, what's going on? Failed. Message failed to decode response from Marionette. Marionette? What do you mean Marionette? Okay, I'm gonna move that here. I'm gonna... Like, everything's already set up here. I'm selecting two things at the same time. I think that's the issue. Okay, now I should copy the right code. Try again. And this time... Yeah, make it work. For real. Okay. We're getting there. And now... Who's marionette? Marionette? It's a French word, I think. Is it the same word in English for a puppet? I don't think. Marionette is a puppet. Oh, there you go. Now it's working. And you can pick them up. You can pick them back up. But they're kind of useless, aren't they? They can't break block. What's the point if they can't break block? Am I right? Even if it has like unlimited ammo, I'm sure there's other weapons with unlimited ammo that that can actually do something. So I'm just gonna look for maybe better weapons. M right 10. Oh no, the mouse is gonna move. It is moving. It is moving. Actually, I could just leave. I could like make a better control for the game and just let the game run, do its thing, and just leave and let people play for like. I let it open. Eventually, there's gonna be a bunch of people playing. Like that's the dream. That's the goal. Not having a single player, but having like multiple people trying to play at the same time. It's gonna be so much more chaotic and so much more fun. But for that, I need to give you more control, like the E key to open the chat, maybe the Q key to drop item. That's a useful one. Right click, left click. I should make a list. Actually, you can make a list in the chat since you have access to the chat, and I don't since I'm here. M down. Is that gonna work? M down. I think it's broken. Is it broken? Is it moving down? Try typing that again. Maybe it's gonna work. I don't know why it ain't working. Should be working. M down. No, I really think it's the double dot thing that we need to use. But I know the robot had a lot of problem with M down last time. Yeah, M down is broken. Did we lose? Yeah. Int last message list index out of range. So out of range. What do they mean? So we were here. Let's close this chat down since we no longer use it. So in key down, M down, pixel equal last message. Okay. M down that if I don't know why it broke. I'm gonna try that. In last message. Pixels, Python GUI, pixel. Should work. If the up key is working, I don't see why the down key wouldn't be working. That's weird. And I have to start the program again. But since I'm restarting it, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to make it even better. Okay. At the same time, does that explode if I keep shooting these? When the explosion is so big that the game cannot show it. Are you adding mods like the NPC? There's already mobs into this. Am I gonna create my own mobs? I already did. They're just not published, but they're into the back room. I have my own custom mobs. But other than that, I already have mobs in there. Like if I start it, like select mods, we have like mobs monster, mobs redo API, new Obsidian redo. There is some mob stuff in there. So if I start it, did you update your mods? My mod? I always update my mod. Like if I show you, not sure which one you want to know update about, but all of this is me trying stuff with my mods. I always do stuff with them. Some of it is crazy, some of it isn't. I'm gonna show you. I don't make stream about all that stuff because it would get crazy real fast. Why can I activate fly? I don't have fly privilege. Well, that could be useful for demonstrating these mods. I'm gonna make myself in creative, play, and like I break them so often, and I remake them from scratch sometimes. Oh, mouse up. 4000 isn't gonna work because the program isn't started. I was gonna work on it a bit more, but let's try it. X V3. We can try it again, but this version I think has some issues. Yeah, that's not how we start a Python script. This is how we start a Python script. I can copy the URL of the chat. I was gonna work on it a bit more, but yeah, if you want chat control, that's not where I need to paste it, that's here. And now you should have chat control, so at least you can play with me if you want. So I was gonna show you like the result of all the mods that I'm working on. So you see all this damage. Oh, okay, the mouse is moving. That was funny. Well, so I was trying to show you this damage, but the mouse kept moving. So that was the God mod. What it did. I'm not sure if it's still working. Do I still have the God fireball? I have a fireball here. You can try to see what this does. Fireball. I see it shoots a fireball. So that's one of the things I was working on. It's not working exactly as you would expect, but it kind of is. Pew. Pew. It's not always working, but it kind of is. What just happened? Damn. So yeah, you can shoot fireball. That sometimes does what they are supposed to do, and sometimes not. So that was one of the mods I was working on. By the way, you still have control right now. But I had more damage in this mod. Why don't we try the chat control in Minecraft? They would work, but I don't have Minecraft on my computer. Actually, that's one of the reasons why I play Minetest and other Linux games, because I hate having to rebuy the same game over and over again. I had Minecraft at some point in my life. Okay, so that was a mod I was trying to make, which was a corruption block. How they work is they're supposed to spread a bit like a virus. Infection node, and you have infected node. So you want the infection node, and right now it seems to be broken. Is it? No, it's not. It's just right now they just make big hole under them. I think that's what they do. So yeah. infected. Let's try this one. Use a launcher. What do you mean a launcher? No, I mean I have the Minecraft launcher, but I just don't have the Minecraft game. I don't have an account with Minecraft on it. See, that's one of the mod I was working on. See how it spread all over the place? This was the virus infection mod. It was very cool at some point. It would dig down tunnel like this and like spread like this. But you know, I was working on it because it wouldn't stop, so it would just spread all over your world and destroy them, and that's not what I wanted. I wanted the mod to at some point stop expanding, but it would just keep expanding. I'll be back, bro. Yeah, no, but I think I'm gonna end the stream anyway. It's been a long stream. It wasn't even supposed to be a stream. At least if you could see this by day, it's so nice how the infection mod did all these holes all over the place. It really made the place cooler, I think. Why do I stop? Why does my character stop? I think that's the stop command you wrote that is stopping me once in a while. It's still activated, I think, or something like that. Anyway, see you later, bro. Ciao. Bye bye. That's the end of the video. Anyway, but look at this. How good does that look? I think it looks nice. I think that's cool. Like, I think people would have liked this mod, but sadly, you know, it's unfinished. I stopped working on it. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna end the stream. Have a good day. Bye bye. Don't forget to share the video. That's gonna help the channel a bit. If people start sharing, I think that's the big issue, is that I don't get enough shares of these videos. Like if there's a part you like, you can cut it, do a small remix, and you know, share it. Have a good day. Yeah, you can like, also subscribe if you're not already, but I think you are. Bye bye.